Welcome to the show. What accounts for the underperformance, given the fact that we are seeing electricity and gas and oil prices so elevated?
Well, thanks for having me, Sarah. Really, I think it's just really a misunderstanding by the market about the fundamentals of this business. We are an energy company, and our competitors are energy companies. As you just said, natural gas is soaring, oil is soaring, and everything that we do is moving up and to the right. And so, for instance, we had our biggest day in sales in our company's history just yesterday. So everything is moving in the positive direction. We just got to get the word out in the market. We're an energy company. We're not an internet company or a tech company.
Just yesterday. Well, thank you for breaking that news on our show, John. So why is that? Why are you having record-breaking sales right now?
The single best thing that a consumer can do in this economy is to sign up for solar service from a company like ours. You can lock in energy prices for the next 25 years. We all know and seen that utility rates are skyrocketing. They're going to keep moving up as we move forward in the course of the year, and then even after that, in our opinion. And so you can lock those rates in. But here's the other thing. Now with electric vehicles, you can even lock in the gasoline, at their pump. That's all going up, as you just said, and we continue to be very bullish that price of crude oil and gasoline and diesel are going to continue to move up as well. So this is the best thing you can do as a consumer. So consumers are flocking into our space, and we're trying to get that service set up for each homeowner across the United States as fast as we can.
But, John, aren't your prices rising as well? You've faced raw material inflation and other supply chain issues, haven't you?
We have, and we've cost of capital. Of course, everything's moved up with the 10-year Treasury and the rest of the bond market moving up in cost. And then some of the equipment's moved up in cost, although that's kind of flatlined a little bit here recently. Some of the tariffs and some of the things that have been done by the administration and has not been helpful. But with that said, we've been able to raise price again as recently as the last few days, increasingly to make up for those higher costs. And we're going to continue to do so as we move forward in time. So if you're a homeowner looking to get away from and have some relief from these very, very high and getting high utility bills and the prices at the pump, I get signed up fairly quick here.
What is going on the tariffs? Because I feel like the Biden administration was supposed to be your best friend, and there was the Build Back Better plan and then all the subsidies, and none of that has happened. And instead, you've got these tariffs on Chinese solar companies, which, as I understand it, is crushing your industry. So can you just explain what's happened there?
Yeah, there's a big difference, Sarah, between the utility scale solar and what we do with solar behind the meter, so to speak, for homeowners. And to be clear about it, we are somewhat sheltered from some of that tariff issues, but not entirely. But we've got an ample amount of supply of panels currently. Very disappointing in what's happened. You couldn't have predicted it, but certainly getting involved in putting tariffs in place, and tariffs have never worked in any government any time in human history, but we seem to keep trying them, including the previous administration, of course, and it's been a continuation with the Biden administration on this. Yeah, they're a complete failure. They're not working at all, and we need to get away from them, and we need to get the policies put in place so that consumers can choose. And that's the interesting thing about solar. And look at what Governor DeSantis did in Florida just a few days ago. He went on the side of solar and said, I'm not going to raise utility bills on Floridians, and I'm not going to take away the only competition Floridians have to these high utility bills, which is solar. So we got to get government out of the way. With solar for your home is pro-competition, it's pro-consumer, it's pro-capitalism, and it's certainly something that is much more pro-consumer than a monopolistic utility who just has nothing else better to do than continue to raise rates as far as the eye can see.